Crossroad number 35. To complain or to be thankful. We are on Tuesday of the fifth week of Lent, and we read from the book of Numbers. From Mount Hor, the children of Israel set out on the Red Sea Road to bypass the land of Edom. But with their patience worn out by the journey, the people complained against God and Moses. Why have you brought us up from Egypt to die in this desert where there is no food or water? We are disgusted with this wretched food. This crossroad is something funny and yet serious at the same time, because we see this happening even in our time today. Complaining, never grateful or thankful for what is given to us. The children of Israel, they were already set free from Egypt. Now they are in the wilderness and they're en route to the promised land. But while they were in this journey, they began to complain and grumble against God. Mas mabuti pa nung nasa Egypt kami, maayos ang kalagayan namin. Kahit kami ay hindi malaya, kahit kami ay alipin, kahit papaano ay nakakakain kami ng maayos. Pero dito sa disyerto, malaya nga kami, walang paraon na naguutos sa amin o naghahagupit sa amin. Pero ayaw naman namin ng pagkaing binibigay mo. A complaining heart, a complaining people, never satisfied. This is happening even to this day. We are given this crossroad of being grateful or always and constantly complaining and grumbling because we are not getting what we want and we are never satisfied with what we get in our life. Kaya kung susundan pa natin ang kwento ng unang pagbasa, pinarusahan ng Panginoon ang mga Israelita. They were bitten by sarap serpents at marami sa kanila ay nagkasakit na matay. Kumusta ang ating mga puso sa panahong ito ng Kwaresma as we are about to enter into the holiest of all weeks in our faith, the Holy Week, habang papatapos na ang ating ang paglalakbay sa Kwaresma as pilgrims of hope? How is our heart? Do we still have a complaining, dissatisfied heart? Or have we developed a sense of gratitude and thankfulness? Things are not perfect. Things are not given to us according to how we want them. But nevertheless, we are okay with it. We cannot complain. We can only be grateful. So we look at ourselves this time of the year and this stage in our journey. Pagod na ba? Gutom pa? At nagmamaktol na ba? Naiinis na? O kahit pagod, nakangiti pa rin at may pusong nagpapasalamat? This is a crossroad where you'll have to make a choice when it comes to what disposition in life will you take. Will I be a grateful person or a bitter person? Am I a thankful person or a dissatisfied person? That is the key to our happiness or joy in our life. If we know how to be thankful, we will be bitten by the good serpent that gives us joy and hope. If we are complaining, we will be bitten by the serpent that gives us death and sadness.